Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.
Hi, Crown Babies. Let me tell y'all how Daphne forgot y'all. She forgot y'all, and if it weren't for me, y'all would not be going to Puerto Rico. Oh, did she tell y'all going to Puerto Rico? I hope she did, and I ain't just tell y'all that she going to Puerto Rico. That y'all going to Puerto Rico with us. Crown Babies! Oh, I even see this man behind me. Sorry, sir. Crown Babies, what up? We miss you. We miss y'all. We miss y'all, Crown Babies. Sorry. I'm about to vlog for her because ain't no way she forgot y'all. There's no way. I'm gonna catch up with y'all later. Crown Babies. Hey, Crown Babies. Who's gonna call her? Hi.
She got the camera. Yup.
Where Daphne at? Oh.
Is it me? It's not a show. Hey, Crown Babies. I'm so sorry, y'all. Y'all almost didn't get a vlog, but y'all gonna get one. Okay, we gotta go. We're gonna go.
Where y'all going?
We gotta go get something to eat.
Fuck y'all. Next time Daphne forget y'all, y'all gonna be asked out. For real. Here. Ah, we in Puerto Rico. I finally got my camera. I'm sorry, y'all. I left y'all back in Broward. Sorry, I'm so sorry about that shit. But we here.
Alright, so the vlog starts tonight.
You have to scream. You have to scream. I can't.
Good morning, guys. It's day 2 in Puerto Rico. We had a time last night. We had a time. But it's day 2. I'm gonna give y'all a tour of the house because I didn't get to yesterday because I got my camera so late. I almost forgot you guys. I'm sorry. Forgive me. But I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the house and that was the tour of the house. I also lost a nail last night. Smash on the nails. Y'all know that already though. Gino, wake up. Gino, wake up. Yes. Why do you want to sleep at 5? What?
Man, you gotta sleep.
No, I didn't. I went to sleep the same time as you. Whatever. Now that was a fail. It's me, Deja.
It's me, Deja.
And we're here to turn up.
We're here to turn up.
Yeah.
Okay, now go change.
Okay, we want this long flight upstairs, so we gotta go down. I wanna call. And now finally made it at the beach. It's hot. I can't.
Can't believe we forgot the fans again.
Yeah, talk your
Puerto
shit.
Rico.
Talk your shit. 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 Talk your shit.
You also think on the beach. We deliver straight to the beach for you. Yep, these are free piña colada samples of the piña colada we make. All on the rocks. If y'all want a menu.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are all pretty.
Thank you.
So I got chicken on a stick with a banana.
She took it to the churro. She asked for it. She didn't ask for it, but it was like a friend. I can't believe I did that shit. I was close. You woke up, you see.
I also got tacos and blue lemonade. Bomb. Just came back from bar crawl on BD. I didn't like it. It wasn't giving. But now we're about to go to La Placita again and see what they have to offer for us, which is gonna be a ball. We're gonna have a good time. Am I toe up? No, I'm just tired. Good morning again. Good morning, good morning. If you are watching this right now, just know that I love you. And you're with themom.com. But yeah, we're about to go get some food. I changed my hair. Well, I changed my bows. But so far, Puerto Rico for me, like, the only real good food I had was yesterday, which was Saturday. We are going LED kayaking. Yeah. What time is it now? You hungry? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna call y'all back. Alright, bye y'all. you know me, you know I love coconut water. I got a drinky drink. I got a drinky drink. She got a drinky drink. We got a drinky drink. She got a drinky drink. We got a drinky drink. More drinky drink. Piña colada? More drinky drink. She got a drinky drink. Drink it down. Drink it down. Drink it. Woo! It's not done.
It's done.
Fine. This is my food from the seafood. I'm gonna tear it up. 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 I'm gonna...
Follow, so make sure you stay with your tour guides. Friends, I'm going to show you the right way to hold your paddle, which is where the colors meet on both sides. Oriotti, paddle Oriotti, De Castro.
Nice job. Remember the Castro guys was on Puerto Rico? Oh, what? Huh?
Drinky drink. Our food is here. I literally said the napkin right here. Let's see what it's hitting for.
That's lovely.
That's what?
That's lovely.
So we about to go out again.